Hello, this is Chris Conundro here to introduce to you the Forex FLUX2 high velocity trend stacking trading signal service. This is a Forex signal service. We provide the entry, the stop loss, and the profit taking exit. If you are familiar with the FLUX2 system, then you know that this is a very powerful system that is much better to trade than just to stare at on your computer screen. This is a very strong system and durable system that has stood the test of time, has done well over the past 10, 20, 30, 40 years, even up to 100 years plus now of stock price data. Okay, now we are talking about Forex here, and stock price data just goes back a little further. But the bottom line is that it's price data. Now, different instruments will have their different characteristics, but price on the whole tends to behave in certain ways because we humans tend to behave in certain ways, and that is a constant we can depend upon for our trading in the markets. Therefore, by implementing the Forex Flux system, we can stand a chance at having the type of track record that we've been having, as you'll see from examples below, or we've had over the past 10 plus years, in Forex, but also in the stock market. And you can enjoy the trading ideas sent to you via email. To get started in this service, just sign up. This is a monthly based membership. It is not cheap compared to these other signal services out there, but compared to itself, it's very inexpensive because the potential profit allowed or available through our system track record, and we can not only speak in potential, not guarantees, because it is trading and you just can't guarantee the future, but probability is on our side for continued performance, in particular with this system, because it has done so consistently well over the decades, and it's based off a very solid fundamental and price action, and that was designed and identified on purpose. This is a trading for a good living system philosophy system. We look to develop, design, and discover systems that will fit the trading for a good living philosophy. All right, so we are doing this on purpose. We are looking to design systems that fit price action that is steady and constant over time with this philosophy. Now, that said, as you see from the track record below, this is not a sugar high, pie in the sky, 110% winning nonsense that many get caught up into due to various advertisements. There are all sorts of crazy ads in Forex. This is a real system and a real signal service looking to make and net out real profit over time. But you have to understand, this is over time. It's not going to happen in one friggin' day. And people get these strange ideas that you're going to sign up for a signal service, and if they don't get their jollies within a couple days, then it's no good. Well, that's just stupid. And how much money will these people make? None. Okay, you have to have a plan that can work over time. Now, if you had a day trading signal service, well, then you can look to expect a potential daily jolt, a potential daily score. But this is a trend trading system. It trades swings, power swings, and trends. And these power swings that can develop in the trends. Usually, your average trade is going to last you about 1 to 2 to 3 weeks, so about 2 weeks. And but although some will extend longer as the trend unfolds within the flux system. So you need a plan. Money is in the is past the emotional realm of fear and greed and wanting to get that emotional thrill. If you go a little past that, that's where all the money is. But the anxiety, the anxiousness to make money now, that is where the traps are, and that is in that realm. That's where you don't make money. That's where you lose money and waste time. So we want to spread out, calm down, spread out, get perspective, and trade the methods that work. So for you to make money with this service, plan on being in it several months. All right. Now, yes, you can start making money right away. You have some subscribers get all excited because we had a 5x position size trade that made, or is it a 4x plus another midweight in the pound yen that made 1,000 pip run. Okay, and we cashed out, and the whole trade netted out 4,600 pips in about a month. And so it happens. Of course, it depends when you enter. But after the big move is usually the consolidation. You just got to keep this in mind. The bottom line is, if you want to build net worth, you got to start when? Now. Net worth does not happen tomorrow. The building has to start now. It's the same principle if you're building net worth in real estate or anything else. You have to start building step by step, incrementally now. And you get involved in a good program. The fee you'll see below. I'm not going to mention the price because we may change it, but the fee is what it is. It's really not much, once you look at the end result. So go scroll below, check out the ridiculous returns and the amounts of pips this system has been able to suck up. And so, in order to enjoy that potential, just subscribe, become a member, and that's about it. And plan to be in for a while. If you're, dipping your toes in and just testing to see how it goes, don't waste your time. Don't subscribe to anyone else's signal services. You're wasting your time. You have to give it, if you're trading a system that works, it's going to ebb and flow with the marketplace. The marketplace is slow. The system will be slow. So if it's on a net worth building plan, look at the whole track record and plan to go along with that track record. Plan to be in it for a year at least and see how it goes. A month, you're wasting your time. Even if you get lucky, like a few people just joined and made the 4,600 pip trade, they got all lucky. Okay, they're super excited, like, wow, it's going to happen all the time. No, because after a big move, what happens usually? A consolidation, right? So you have to take the consolidations with the moves. It's the ebb and flow of the marketplace. You look at any chart, you'll see the same thing, and you need to accept this if you want to make money. If you want it your way and you want to base your trading off anxiety and some strange emotional idea, then you're just not going to make money, and you're just going to continually lose, as you probably currently are. All right, I'm telling you for your sake. I've experienced a ton of things over time, and slow it down, spread out your time horizon, and whether you're going to sign up for this signal service or not, if you just kind of relax, look at the bigger picture, and go for the bigger picture in your trading, spread out your time span, get rid of anxiety, then you can really start to trade well and get in the right position and in the right side of the market. So for these trading ideas, I highly suggest you subscribe. They'll be very valuable over time. Start with this, just start with small positions and let those build over time, and you'll see the signal service, the system in action. So that's about it. This is Chris Conundro, wishing you the best in Forex. Thanks.